Hey guys, it's the girl J's mom, and I'm back with another video. So guys, if you haven't watched my previous video, um, it will be in the description box below, and continue to like, share, comment, and get your friends to subscribe. Also, um, to get all of my videos on time, click the post notifications on the side of the subscribe button. And then yeah, so today we're gonna be doing the lemon challenge. So this plate of lemon I have here, I think it's about 8, and I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna drink this. I'm gonna pour all of this in the glass I have here. So, and that's the challenge. And when I'm finished eating the lemon, when I'm finished sucking all the juice out, I'm gonna put them in this bag. So listen, help me. But anyways, let's get into this video. So guys, let the challenge begin. Listen, I ain't put no lemons, but anyhow, we can still do this challenge for y'all. But anyways, let's go. Whew. Sorry I did that like that, but chill. Kids, don't do this. Oh god. Sorry my face like this on YouTube, but this is no joke. That's to see it, y'all. You don't do this. That's another see it. Not this juicy. And I'm eating 8 lemons cut in half. So make that, I don't know, but guys, next. I don't like how this one look, y'all. So I'm not gonna eat that. So scotch that one out. And I'm gonna go on with the other rest. Again, I'm gonna suck it. Y'all, enjoy this. Oh god, I'm gonna do this for y'all. I got this. I probably might have a part 2, but on my channel, but not right now. Y'all, this is no joke. Oh, y'all, this is making my head hurt. Ah. We almost there, y'all. We almost there. 5 more to go. I'm trying to get this seed up, y'all. Y'all, if I had to pay up with someone to do this, I would have lose long time. Excuse my reaction. I'm just saying, even this year. Listen, y'all need to do this. I didn't know lemon could burn your lip like this. Jesus. Y'all, I'm done, y'all. I'm almost done. Jeez. Help my Lord, help me. Oh, Jesus. Y'all. Oh, Lord. Yeah, I can see. I can see. I ate before I did this. Nah, this one. I just need some more right there. Oh, Lord. Oh no, no, this one just like the same as the other one. Look at it, guys. I don't want to eat that, but oh Lord, jeez. So that's it for this plate, all the seed. Okay, now we're gonna pour this and attempt to drink this. Oh my God. I'm not cheating y'all, guys, so y'all can see. I'm not gonna cheat y'all. I'm just gonna trying to get everything with it. So guys, don't let nothing. So we're gonna put that on the side. I'm gonna drink all of this. Y'all see? This smells bad. Okay, anyhow, let's go. You ain't going down there. Help me. Y'all, this is nothing to play with. This how far it is, guys. Oh God. That's it, guys. I hope I don't feel bad after this. Okay, guys, I'm done. But oh god, but guys, continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. This is a full reaction to this lemon challenge I did. But kids, do not do this at home, okay? Do not do it at home. I will repeat again, do not do it at home. But anyways, I'm about to end this vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and I will be back with more videos.